Yes, Rag Week, ladies and gentlemen, is upon us again. And the question that every policeman, or indeed person, asks himself, or indeed is how are we to deal with the inevitable juvenile excesses to come? Somebody.
Well, it depends, doesn't it? I mean, not all excesses are the same. Are we talking plain or excessive?
Well, I think by definition excesses are excessive. Or they wouldn't be excessive, would they?
Is this one of those brain teasers, though, where Cleopatra turned out to be a goldfish?
Concentrate, Daddy, concentrate, because believe it or not, you did make a valid point. One must, of course, judge each case on its merit. I do not wish to have my officers accused of being excessive in their treatment of excesses, especially if those excesses are not particularly excessive. So on the whole, what I think we are discussing here are excesses. Is that clear?
Let's keep going, so I expect we'll catch up.